Resuming with case number 9, State of Hawaii versus Gerhardt Konig, 1 CPC-25-373. Dr. Konig is present in court. All 4 counsel of record are present. All jurors are back in the courtroom. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your patience. During the recess, we were monitoring not just the weather conditions, but the current news situation as well. We've been informed that Governor Green is closing state offices. And while the Chief Justice hasn't made an official decision yet with respect to courts, after talking with the attorneys for the parties, we're all in agreement that we're going to let you go for the day. There's no sense keeping you here only to fight bad weather later on in the afternoon. So out of safety and out of caution and out of care for all of you, I'm going to recess the trial for today, have you come back next week on Tuesday to resume. Yes, we'll be a little bit behind schedule, but I will tell you the attorneys have been working very diligently and efficiently so that even though we might be a little behind schedule, I think we're still going at a very good pace. So no anxiety there. Between now and when you come back on Tuesday at 9 o'clock, same rules. Don't talk to anybody about this case. Keep an open mind. Do not try to learn about this case outside of the courtroom. Again, I appreciate your flexibility, your dedication. Thanks for coming in through the weather. I'm going to send you back home through the weather before it gets any worse. So all of you, have a safe drive home. Have a good, safe, dry weekend. Take care of yourselves as well as your families. We'll see all of you next week, Tuesday. All rise. Anything you wish to take up while we have the time and we're still on record?
I know Mr. Otake I have a couple things as well.
Go ahead.
Okay, 2 things. Yesterday, Mr. Otake asked if there would be a report coming from investigator to the prosecutor's office. There should be one coming, so I can confirm that's incoming. The second is with regards to State's Exhibit 4, that was by agreement of the parties withdrawn so that the audio on the disc could be redacted per the court's order. I did take the disc back to my office. They informed me of something I should have seen the first time. It was put on a CD-R, which is not rewritable. So what I'm proposing is that I have it burned to a new disc, which then the officer will sign and date, and then that will be Exhibit 4. Is that acceptable?
That's fine.
Okay, I just want to put on record what the plan is.
That's fine. I appreciate you working it out.
Okay, that's it for me.
Thank you.
One quick second.
Yep.
Let me see the one that has. Okay. And I'm sorry. One second, Your Honor.
Of course, take your time.
Okay. On record, so, Your Honor, in the defense, this is going to be pertinent to Ms. Konig's examination next week, so I thought I'd raise it now and give prosecutors the weekend. Exhibit 120 of ours is the AT&T records of hers that we subpoenaed and the court released. Under the rules, we made a summary chart of, particularly her interactions with Mr. Miller. And so we wanted to turn it over, the chart over to the state today so they can do their due diligence and verify that the chart is accurate under the rules.
Okay.
And so we also, to make it easier, did highlight in the record itself the corresponding places in the chart. So
Okay.
I'm just turning that over.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then after, once that happens, well, we're going to add the chart as a exhibit to, and we'll get you guys a amended exhibit list that adds that chart.
Okay. Can you email the chart electronically when you have the chart?
Yes, I think we, actually, is this?
Yeah.
I think we have it.
Even better.
When I say we, I mean Ms. McCullough.
Is that the court's copy? Can the court keep that?
I believe that is,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you. And that's just gonna be.
And this is this the? And this is the copy of the exhibit list with that on it.
Okay.
Mr. Otake, that's gonna be next in order, defendants 184.
Correct.
Thank you.
That was all I had to bring up on the record.
I want to follow up on that because I have one more thing. We discussed this earlier, counsel, but I never closed the loop on it. With respect to the AT&T records, the court is still in possession of the affidavit or the declaration for compliance with Rule 902. I still have it in case it becomes an issue.
Okay.
I was supposed to turn it over to you. I haven't, but the court is still in possession of it. It came with the original. I think it was a thumb drive
return,
that the
yes.
court reviewed and turned
Okay.
over after in-camera review.
Okay.
So let me know if you actually want the declaration.
Okay, I'll let you know. I'm gonna see, I gotta think through how we're gonna go about this, but thank you for that.
So if there's nothing else on record, we will adjourn for the day.
9 o'clock Tuesday, right, Joe?
Yes, you got anything else on record, Mr. Otake?
Just let me think real quick.
Take your time.
Oh yeah, we just need to get that back from you.
Okay, so I'm gonna give this back. I haven't reviewed it yet.
Oh,
But did you want me to review it?
I mean, it's up to you, but
I would like,
it might make sense if you review it now and then you can, I think you'll understand what I'm gonna be arguing
Okay.
from, that it's, non-hearsay, it's not being offered for the truth.
I'll take a look
Of
at it.
the
then.
audio.
Did you want the thumb drive back today?
I don't think we need it today.
Okay, no, I'll return it on Tuesday then.
Yeah.
I'll take a look at it.
Okay.
Now that we have additional.
Yeah, and like I said, our arguments are gonna be non-hearsay, not offered for the truth of the audio.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else we should take up on record?
I will review all of the clips that the state has from the defense with regards to Officer Chun to prepare forward. Whatever I owe you. Nothing
All right.
else.
We can go off record. Counsel, anything we should discuss off record in terms of scheduling?
I mean, I guess, is the plan on Tuesday the same with these officers now, or? I mean, you can let me know tomorrow, I guess, but.
Yeah, I'll think about it. I'll let you know.
Probably not, right?
Yeah.
I don't call them out of order because of my previous
Yeah.
order regarding the
Yeah.
complaining.
Yeah, just let me know, if you can let me know tomorrow, you know,
I,
what you're planning to do Monday, or Tuesday.
so, I mean, Tuesday afternoon, I'm planning to have the doctors testify.
Doctors, Tuesday afternoon.
Yeah, and
Okay.
they're the most, well,
Right, they're a little more restricted in timing, right?
sure. They have some flexibility, but not a ton.
Well, we cannot start Arielle in the morning then, if you're gonna do if you gotta do them in the.
You think she's gonna take,
Well, I don't
I'm
know.
estimating about an hour to hour and a half under estimating.
Oh, if that's the case, maybe we could finish her in the morning.
If she starts, what if, the rec's gonna be done, cross is gonna start, even if you don't finish cross, can we put on the doctors? And then
No,
finish up the cross?
No, I wouldn't agree to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can,
But-
like I said, I
but-
have some flexibility
but-
with the doctors. I can probably move them back a little bit in the afternoon as well.
Yeah. But, I mean, if the directive of her is truly gonna be like an hour and a half, I think we'll finish her that morning. I'm not gonna cross her for more than 2 hours.
Okay.
I don't think.
Okay, that helps with scheduling.
Okay.
Um,
Oh, okay, so,
I think
but the
that's-
doctors
that's
aren't
more the
afternoon.
plan.
Okay, okay. And by doctors, you mean the two?
Yeah,
Or
Grosjean and
Whitney?
Carlton.
Carlton, yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I
Okay.
think that's good for schedule. So Tuesday's gonna be a full day.
Yeah,
Definitely a full day. And we'll plan on Wednesday being full day as well.
right, and then we're off
Thursday. We're off Thursday.
back Friday.
Back on Friday.
Okay,
And I'll probably ask Officer Chun to be ready Tuesday afternoon as well, in case we move fast with the doctors.
that makes sense.
Yeah, I think
And then
that's,
come Friday, I think of next week, I'll ask you, Joel, where we really are, whether or not you really think you're gonna finish on the following Tuesday, because that impacts presentation of the.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
And the other thing I wanted to bring up is, we've never really discussed this, but if you guys wanna propose something, you know, on some of the chain of custody issues for the DNA or whatever, just, you know.
Stipulation.
for the
Possibly.
evidence.
Yeah.
you know, just on some of the, you know, chain witnesses,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can type something up and send it to you
Yeah.
over the weekend.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
that's,
yeah.
that cuts out, not a huge time, but it cuts out,
Yeah.
7 or 8 witnesses.
No promises, but I'll look at it.
No, 7 or 8 witnesses, that's a lot still. Okay. Gentlemen, anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, thanks for your flexibility. All of you guys be safe.
Yeah, you too, thank
See you
you.
guys on Tuesday.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Is it okay if we leave the binders?
Yes, same disclosure. If anything
Yeah,
is
yeah,
lost or
right,
broken,
right.
it's not my fault.
Hey, Judge.
Stay safe.
Everything is closed except judiciary.
No, we will.
I know. I just.
But if they can get a head start on the commute, better for them. Ilani, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, we see you guys.
You too, thank you.
Hello. How are you?
You're great. You can leave all your cabling too.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, you can just take the hardware, but the
Yeah.
cabling,